2013 to 2018 Chevy Trax and Buick encore from brake replacement. Let's start by removing our brake caliper bolt. It is a 10mm. It's two of them, one on top, one at the bottom. And by the way, guys, those brakes usually have a brake returning screw. That one doesn't have it. It's a T30. I think the last person who serviced those brakes probably didn't put it back. Just for reference, I have my caliper hang right there by a bungee cord. Now let's remove our brake caliper bracket. It's 18mm. There you go. Those brake the hub look pretty good, so it doesn't really have to be cleaned. So right here I'm cleaning where the brake hardware goes in, and we grease the brake caliper pins so they can move freely. And put the hardware back on. It's all clean, by the way. Those are the hardware. And let's remove the rust protection from our new brake roller using a brake clean like this. Our caliper bracket is back in. Alright, and one at the bottom. Now let's grease our brake pad. The two ears where the brake pad goes on, they need to be greased so they can move freely. And this, all good to go. Let's compress our caliper. You can use a regular stick lift for this, or you can use a caliper retracting tool like this. And let's put our caliper back in. And that's all you need, guys. There you have it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget to pump your brakes, by the way, before a test drive.